Hello guys, this is Rahul Pinto and welcome to my channel. As in the thumbnail, can we really stop seeing the keyboard? And the answer is yes. So getting into the detail, we'll go into the PPT and understand. So here it is mentioned that stop seeing the keyboard and another logo is of a man focusing on the screen and the angle is of 15 degree. Does it really mention that we need to maintain the 15-degree angle of the screen? So it may be differs, but according to this study, it is really 15 degrees. So, however, if you are practicing continuously watching the screen, so definitely the angle may approximately up to 15 degrees. Getting to the another slide, like let us understand what is typing. So here it is mentioned that the action or skill of writing something by means of a typewriter or computer. To complete your work faster, it is important to develop typing skills. Typing helps you to work comfortably on the computer. It aids in communicating with colleagues and customers, creating documents, and finding new information. So, as per my knowledge, typing is like uh, working on the keyboard and giving input to the system by within our language. So, it is a proper mechanism. So, which can we give the input to the computer, which in our own language it can understand it. So, let us understand the advantages of the typing. So, here it saves times, enables you focus on your ideas, keep hurting from yourself, helps you to land the job, makes it easier to take notes. Obviously, it saves times, as you can see that while typing with saying, you're completely focusing on the keyboard and also the screen. But here in the case where you need to focus on the two things, one is the keyboard and another is on the screen. If you stop avoiding to see the screen to the keyboard, then you'll be completely focusing on the screen, and you'll obviously reduces the focus on the keyboard, and which saves time. Enable to focus on your ideas. See, uh, whenever you are completely focusing on the screen, so you may not miss the main major things and completely focusing on the screen, okay, and keep hurting from yourself. Here, hurting in the sense when you're completely focusing on the two things like keyboard and the monitor, you need to rotate your head continuously for multiple times. For seeing every single letter, you need to focus, you need to see on the keyboard and then type in the screen, and you need to check whether the typing is going correct or not. So it is also easier to take notes, as you can see that like you can maintain the continuous fluency in the typing. So let us understand where to place your fingers on the keyboard. Have you ever noticed that on your keyboard there'll be bumps? That is on the F and J. You can see that the bumps. So are they intentionally placed? Yes, of course. These bumps are placed to place your fingers, that is index fingers on these two keys. So you need to place your index fingers on these two keys. Okay, and here we can see that there are multiple colors on the keyboard, like at the same time on your fingers also. So this defines where we need to place the fingers on the keyboard. So some of the basic things, let us understand what should be placed fingers on the keyboard. So first point is that always place your fingers on the middle row of the keyboard. Like as you can see that there are 26 letters in the alphabets. So and these alphabets are categorized into three rows. First one is top row, second middle row, and third one is bottom row. So always you need to place your fingers on the middle row. So maintaining the flexibility in your fingers for covering the entire keyboard. So you need to place your fingers on always the middle row, and you need to move up and down like requirements for the requirements. And here thumbs are used only for the space purpose. So generally these thumbs are used for the space only. Why? Because it is easier, and they are completely fixed at one point and they are only used for the space. Little finger, that is a small finger, is used for the backspace. So you need to adapting to use that little finger for clearing the data or clearing the text by giving the backspace. So going practically, so we'll understand how can we improve our typing through online. Like there is a website typingtest.com where you can give the test and improve your typing. So let us have a test for 1 minute and start test. So here I am giving 1 minute of test, which is medium text. So let's start the test. Here there are different sentences which are provided, and we need to type it. So let's start this. So as you can see that my WPMS 37, which is not bad at all, and the accuracy is of 100%. So you can also increase the accuracy, which means which is more important, and you need to maintain the consistency in the typing test so that you can improve your typing, and which will be helpful very much. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe this channel for more such videos.